Running behind time. You're rolling in 3, 2, 1, and action.
Hey boy, grab a chair against and come sit next to your father now. You know, you're 12 years old now, and these bookworms, by the age of 12, the brain is old enough to comprehend now, you know. So I've never told you this before, but I had a brother once. His name was David, but they killed him. And my pops, he didn't like that. You know, he came from this other rough neighborhood. They used to call him Maniac. A crazy ass nigga, had a big black tat. So 2 days after the funeral, he went to the house. He knew who was responsible for my brother's death. So he killed them all. He killed all of them. And I'll never forget what he told me. He said, "My son, when you grow up, you'll understand that it's blood in and blood out, and there's no going back." So, basically, son, what I'm trying to say here is this: a man must protect his own. A man defends his own. Should anyone come my family or endanger any one of my family, I will eat their brains with a spoon. I will kill them all. Commit suicide and kill them all. Kill them all. Okay, no cut.
Are you dead?